Okay, so we're taking the Jeep out to Colorado again this year, and last year we had our roof rack on with our ski holder. It also had a little bit of a, just a little bit of a lean on the inside. So what we're gonna do is we're going to actually reinforce the bars on the roof rack, and we're gonna show you how we do it. Okay, so what I've done is I've set my roof rack up on top of my car here, just because it's not easy to get to any way you slice it. You can see this bar that goes through. This bar actually had a little bit of a lean to it last year, so what I've done is I've gotten some angle iron aluminum that I'm actually going to place on the front of the beam. I'm going to loosen these brackets up, stick it in place, straighten it out so it's even distance from the rear, and then I'm going to cinch that up in place just to give us a little bit of extra tensile strength going across. Okay, so these, it's really not easy to get in here because it's kind of like, it's just almost long enough where you can't reach stuff. So we're going to loosen these up. I'm going to loosen the front ones up more than I'm going to loosen the rear. I'm going to loosen the rear a little bit. And then I am going to slide the piece of angle iron in across. Let's see how much we have on either side. And I need to make sure that I have a measuring tape to do an equal distance on each side. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this up a little bit and see if I've got enough to push it under. I don't. I'll loosen that up a little bit more. Okay. So now that should be loose enough. I'm just slide it under, and I did. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is measure from the ends. That is 2 1/4, and that is 2 5/8. So I'm going to slide it this way a little bit. All right, so I was able to reinforce these with the aluminum angle iron pieces that went in here, and they were basically 10 bucks a piece. Got them from Home Depot. So, you know, remember, doing things yourself allows you to be free.